Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Now I am going to discuss exercise 7.4 8th sum children. Children, how many puzzle books are there in the library if twice the number is equal to 432? Twice the number is what? 2x. Let me assume that the number to be what? X. Is it clear? So, so for that here equal. Gives equal all what I am going to write? Equal to 432. I am going to find out the number of books here. Okay. Listen. Let the number be x. Can you clear this? Let the number be what? X. So from the statement now I am going to frame the equation. What is it? If twice the number, so twice the number, I have assumed that number to be what? X. So for that 2x is, so for that equal, got it? And what is the number given here? 432. 432. Now listen, I am going to find out the value for x. So when this 2 moves to the right hand side, it is in the left hand side, and multiplication symbol. When it moves to the right hand side, what it becomes? Inverse operation, which is what? Division. Can you clear this? So x is equal to 432 divided by 2. Can you clear this? Now I can cancel this numerator and denominator by factor, or I can divide this. Listen, 432, that is 432. When I am dividing this by 2, listen, 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 is what? 0. Drag this 3 2 down. So 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 is what? 1. Again drag this 2 2 down, which is what? 12. 2 6 are 12. Okay. So at twice the number is equal to 432 means what is that value for the number? That is the question. So now if I cancel this, 2 1s are 200 and 16s are 432. So x is equal to 216. Now I can write the answer. How many puzzle books are there in the library? So number of puzzle books, number of puzzle books, number of puzzle books. Write the statement what is given in the question. Number of puzzle books in the library. Okay. Library is 216. Can you clear this? Number of puzzle books in a library is what? 216, because twice a number is equal to 432, then the value for the number is what? 216. Shall we move on to the next sum? What is the speed of a train if 5 times its speed is that is equal to 300 kilometer per hour? Listen, 5 times is equal to 300 kilometer per hour. Now I am going to find out is mean by what? Is mean by what? 1. So if they are given in the question 5 times, I am going to find out for 1 time. Can you clear this? I am going to find out the speed of a train. So I am going to calculate for 1 time. The speed I am going to calculate one time. Listen. Listen. Let the number be x. Let the number be what? X. So 5 times. So I can write to be 5 into x. 5 times is equal to 300 kilometer per hour. Is it clear? 5 times. So 5 into x. Now I am going to find out the x value for one time. So x is equal to 300 by 5. X is equal to what? 300 by 5. Write the unit which is given, kilometer per hour. Now I can cancel this. 5 ones are 5, 5 60s are. So x is equal to what? 60. Can you clear this? Now I am going to write the speed of a train. The speed of a train is equal to 60 kilometer per hour. Can you understand this? Can you understand this? They are given for the 5 times. 5 times which is equal to 300 means. So one time what I am going to do? I have to divide that by 5. For example, listen. Cost of 5 pennies equal to rupees 10. Then cost of 1 pen, what I have to do? 10 by 5, which is what? 2 rupees. Same thing. 5 times 300 kilometer per hour means. So one time what I have to do? I am going to divide that. First you frame the equation and then solve the equation. Is it clear, children? Shall I move on to the next sum? Listen. Kalyan's present age is 1/3 as mother's present age. They didn't say that Kalyan's age as well as the mother's age, but what they are saying that Kalyan's present age is means what? Equal 1/3 is mother's present age. Okay. Next step, what they are given that if the mother's age was 5 times his age 6 years ago. 6 years ago means what? Minus. Okay. Here in the ago, which is what? Minus. Can you clear this? Now, what are their present ages? Now, I am going to find out the present age of Kalyan's as well as Kalyan's mother. I am going to find out. Is it clear? Is it clear, children? First, according to the given question, I am going to frame the equation and then I am going to solve it. After solving, I can get the present age of Kalyan as well as the mother. Got it? First, what is given in the question? Let me frame that equation. Listen. Solution. Kalyan's present age. I can take that, assume that let Kalyan's present age is X. Okay. And mother's present age. And mother's present age is Y. Okay. See, up to this part is over. Next, if the mother's age was 5 times his age, no, I didn't complete this. Listen, 1/3 of his mother. Present age means what? That is Kalyan's present age is equal to 1/3 of his mother. So what is that? Mothers I have taken y and Kalyan's present age I have taken to be what? X. So x is equal to 1/3y, which is what? Y is equal to 3x. 1 into y is y. Once if I cross multiply, I can get y is equal to 3x. Just you keep it this and mark it as a equation 1. Okay, just you keep it that y is equal to 3x, because which is given in the question. Kalyan's present age is 1/3 is mother's present age. So what I have done? X is equal to 1/3 means what? 1/3. Listen, 1/3. I can write this 1/3 to be what? 1/3. Is it clear? Now, also they are given that, what they are given? Kalyan's 6 years ago, what is the Kalyan's age? 6 years Kalyan's age is what? X minus 6. Is it clear? And what about a mother's age? Y minus 6. Okay? 6 years ago. So for that minus symbol. And listen, if the mother age was 5 times his age 6 years ago. So what I am going to write here? Listen, y minus 6 is equal to 5 into x minus 6. Because the mother age is equal to 5 times his age. So for that I am framing the equation like this. Okay, y minus 6 is equal to 5 into x minus 6. Now I can multiply this. 5 into x what? 5x. 5 into 6 is 30. Listen, y minus 6 is equal to 5 into x, which is what? 5x. 5 6 are 30, that is minus 30, because minus is there. So 5 into 6 minus 6 is what? Minus 30. Now I can substitute here. Here y is equal to what? 3x. So I can substitute in this value. Okay. So instead of y, I can substitute 3x. 3x minus 6. Got it? Because substituting y is equal to what? 3x, which is given in the question. Because Kalyan's present age is what? 1/3 of his mother's age. So I have segregate the equation to be what? Y is equal to 3x. So substitute here that 3x minus 6 is equal to 5x minus 30. Can you clear this? So the variables and all you are arranged in one side, as well as the constant numbers and all you arranged in the another side. So listen, here just you keep it that 5x minus 6 constant, no, minus 6. You send this 3x to this side and 30 to this side. So minus 6 minus 30 becomes what? Plus 30. Got it? And 5x is there already in the right hand side. 5x is there. So keep it that 5x as it is. And LHS what it is there? 3x is there. So send that 3x. Plus 3x become minus 3x. Got it? Now 30 minus 6, which is what? 24. 30 minus 6 is 24, and 5x minus 3x is what? 2x. Here you have to listen, children. Only the variables and constant I have segregate. So 5x is already, it is in RHS, so let it be there. And only the LHS you have to send it. So plus 3x become minus 3x. and this minus 30, here minus 30 is there. So when it comes to the left hand side, right to left, so for that it becomes what? Plus. Is it clear? Now 24 is equal to 2x. Now I am going to find out the value for x. So 24 by 2, it is in the multiplication. When it moves to the right to left means inverse operation, which is division. So 24 by 12 is equal to x. Now I can cancel this. 2 ones are, 2 12s are. Is it clear? Now what is my x value here? X is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12, and listen, this x is equal to 12 is what? Kalyan's age. Okay. Now I am going to write the answer. What is the answer? Listen, Kalyan's age is what? X. So Kalyan's present age is equal to 12 years. Okay. Now mother's age, what I have taken? Y. Y is what? 3x. So mother's age, mother's present age is 3x. So 3 into 12, which is what? 36 years. Can you understand this? Can you understand this, children? So Kalyan's present age is x. So what I have find out the value for x, which is 12. But mother's age is what? 3 times of it. So 3 into 12, which is what? 36 years. Can you understand this, children? Can you understand this? How I can find out the Kalyan's present age and mother's present age? Listen. See what is given the question. Just I have framed the equation, and x is equal to 1 by 3, which is given what? 1/3. So I have written by what? 1 by 3. 1/3 is what? 1 by 3. So from in this y is equal to 3x, I am framing that equation. Okay, keep it as it is. And also, which is what they are given in the question, 6 years ago. So for that, what I have assumed for Kalyan, x. So x ago. So for that, minus 6. And mother's age, what I assume here, y. So for that, y, and 6 years ago. So for that, minus 6. Now I am going to frame the equation, and I am going to simplify this to find out the x value. See here, both the side to be what? Same variables, then only I can find out the equation here. But here y minus 6 is equal to 5x minus 30. So substitute here y value, what we have, find out here 3x. So substitute in this. So 3x minus 6 is equal to 5x minus 30, and you send the variable one side and the constant. After sending this, x is equal to 12. This is the Kalyan's present age. Got it? And when you have to find out for mother's present age, what? 3y is equal to 3x. So 3 into 12, 36 years. Can you understand this, children? Thank you, children. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.